When I'm driving home at night and I find myself sitting at stoplights, I find myself thinking about the work that we do on a daily basis. I think about how we can improve a given situation.
I'm always thinking about my company. I'm thinking, if we'd only been at this intersection, or if we were only in this corridor, I could have already been through this thing.
I get frustrated driving in traffic. I like to think that, I maybe lessen someone else's frustration.
Makes me feel great, especially that I can affect that many people in a positive way in a day. It's just a great feeling.
It's really cool to wake up every day and be like, I get to go make a difference in people's lives.
Millions of people's lives, and not a lot of people in the world can say that they do the same thing. So I think that's real rewarding.
When our statistics come in and we see 30% fewer crashes, that's something that we can know each of us had a part in doing, and you kind of feel good at the end of the day going home knowing you've made a difference.
What I love about working at Rhythm is that they are very focused on innovation and very focused on something that I find very near and dear to my heart is improving sustainability and helping the environment.
I think our employees know that we're doing something very valuable and very neat that most other companies just can't say they're doing.
You take a bunch of people that are really, really smart, give them a problem, give them a sandbox and say, go play and build me something that'll make a difference. That's what's happening in Rhythm now. We have a lot of self-directed teams that are taking on challenges, specifically faced by the traffic industry.
The people we have working for us are some of the brightest people I've worked with in the past, and is really indicative of the problems that we're trying to solve. The people that we attract to this, or the people that are attracted to it, have unique skills and capabilities, and this is the sort of problem that they really love solving.
If you have creative and critical and lateral thinking, you're able to think about solutions and ways to address problems that don't necessarily come from a classical, straightforward background. What happens is when you combine that ability to be creative with the fundamentals and the understanding of the core principles and how to get solutions done right, you can find out how to come up with different solutions.
Everybody here is, really relaxed. They're supportive. They know how to get things done, and they know how to, have a good time while we're doing it.
One of my guiding principles is that we spend at our workplace more time together than with our families. So it is very important that our workplace be healthy and something that helps us grow as people.
The way I describe the leadership style at Rhythm Engineering is sometimes it's difficult to tell management from the guys in the field or from the managers. They're boots on the ground kind of guys.
We're not micromanaged at all. I would say that that it's definitely lead by example.
There are certain things that you need to do and certain goals that you need to hit, but there's a lot of freedom in order to get that done.
Everything we do is about relationships inside the company, outside the company. We build relationships with our clients. We're all a very close-knit family, and we like it that way.
And we listen to our clients, we listen to other people, because some of the traffic engineers that we interact with have some of the most amazing ideas. And we listen to our clients and we incorporate their solutions into a product.
The Rhythm Engineering philosophy on support and customer service is very, very simple. Customer is number one. That is the primary focus of everything that we do.
The technology here at Rhythm Engineering is ahead of the curve. We try to meet our customers' expectations, but at the same time, we're constantly working to exceed those expectations.
And what I hear pretty consistently is that our support is second to none.
We have a 24/7 customer support line, and I think the relationship with the customer regarding support is like a marriage where it's always on. Only the positive parts of a marriage, I would say.
One of the really interesting things about the mission here at Rhythm Engineering is it's not some words we came up with and stuck on a wall somewhere. I mean, it really is something we live.
The mission of Rhythm Engineering is to empower traffic professionals to, first of all, save lives, reduce emissions, and reduce fuel consumption, thereby improving the quality of life on this planet.
It feels great to be part of a company that is doing so much for motorist safety and for the environment.
I wake up every morning and I'm ready to come to work. This is really an amazing place to work.